Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add continuous animation effect on button in Elementor WordPress using custom CSS. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now you see button effect, continuous animation. So this is a shake button effect. So we are going to add it using custom CSS. Now you see button. So go to Elementor page. So we are in edit button and we are in advanced, and then you see CSS class. So you can add ID or class according to requirement. Now paste. So we edit class button -shake. So click on update and then we are going to add custom CSS for this class. Now go to customize section and we are in additional CSS. Now paste, and you will find this CSS in video description or in comment section. And then you see at the rate keyframe shake, and then you see percentage. So we are using transform, and then you see translateX -5px 5px. So you can add number according to requirement, and then you see custom CSS class we added in button. Now you see animation 8 second infinite. So click on publish. So you can add second according to requirement. So we are going to add 2 second and then click on publish again. Now publish done. Now go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see we added 2 second. Back to custom CSS. Now you see shake 2 second infinite. So you can add second according to requirement 8 second and then click on publish. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.